Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today I'm going to talk about scammers. Now, recently I was involved in a transaction and I feel like I was scammed. I necessarily wasn't, but it feels like it. We're going to see why eBay lets these things happen. Another scam, and they always find a way to do it, and eBay is letting them get away with it, and I'm very unhappy about it. If this is your first time here, we do sell on eBay, and we've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. We sell on Mercari, we sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. Today we're talking about scammers. We're going to talk about a new scam that happened to me, not necessarily new. Sure it's happening to a lot of people, but I'm going to tell you what happened and why I think it is really wrong what eBay did. You stay with us. All right, now we're going to talk about that scam. Let me tell you what happened. I sold a wallet, new with tag. It was a Tommy Hilfiger wallet, and I showed pictures of it and I said new with tag, men's wallet. That's about all that I said about it, and I had pictures. I opened it, I showed them the tag. It was an expensive wallet, and I sold it for $24, free shipping. Person bought it, no problem. They get the item, they email me, they say I didn't give them the right size. Now, I didn't give them any size, but they said it only measures this by this, and you said it was not that size. Now, I didn't say anything about any size, but they wanted to return it, and I said, okay, and I approved. Return the item, and I'll give you your money back. Well, I don't know what's taking so long, but it's like 3, 4, 5 days, and they're not mailing it to me. Then I get a message from eBay that they have filed a claim against me, and I'm like, what did I do wrong? What is happening here? Why would I get a claim against me? Well, they didn't want to mail it back to me. They didn't want to bother. It was too much for them, I guess. They figured, why should I have to do this work of mailing it back? Even though I'm going to pay for it, they didn't want to mail it back to me. So they talked to eBay. eBay sends me a note and they said, well, you're not going to lose your money. Well, I'm not going to lose my money except for the fact that they held on to my money. As soon as the claim was made, eBay said, we're holding on to this money until this is resolved. So they held on to my money. And then they said, so we're not going to take any money away from you. But I never got that money. And the person is going to get to keep the item, get their money back. And they get the money back and they keep the item and I get my money back, which I never got. But let's say I got my money back, which, again, I didn't. But why should they get the item and get to keep the item when they were a scammer and there was nothing to it? So people can go out there, buy an item, say they don't like it, they don't want to mail it back, and keep the money and the item? Why is eBay letting these scammers get away from it? Just because you're a buyer doesn't mean you're always right. Why are they allowing this? Maybe I got my money and I didn't know it. It doesn't matter. Even though I feel like I was cheated, if I wasn't cheated, the next person who sells them an item is going to be cheated. This cheats all the sellers. I am so fed up with eBay taking the side of the buyers, not the sellers, or trying to make everybody happy, and you're just letting them get away with it. It's another reason why I want to go to Mercari. I love eBay. I've been doing eBay so long, and then this type of thing constantly makes me say, what is going on? Previously, I was scammed with shoes. Somebody bought some shoes from me, and they said that the shoes were brand new. They said they weren't new, they were used. They sent me back a pair that wasn't mine. These were $150 shoes. eBay said, oh, I could keep my money, they could keep their money, just send me back the shoes. Similar thing. I got the shoes back, they weren't even the same shoes. Now, I told eBay, this is fraudulent, this is a different pair of shoes. They kept my shoes, they sent me a pair of crappy shoes. What is going on? eBay is just continually letting these things happen. And that is so frustrating. There needs to be something going on. This does not happen in Mercari. This only happens on eBay. And it's very worrisome. It's a reason I need to get out of eBay. And you have to think about it too, because every time I go online, and I belong to several groups where there's people talking about eBay, they're frustrated with these scammers. So slowly I'm pulling out of eBay. I have until September 1st, and then my store is closed, and I'm going to keep some at eBay, but I'm going to have to switch to Mercari because I'm very frustrated. They have to fix this. They have to help these sellers more than they are. Not all sellers are out there to screw people, but the ones that are need to be removed. But a lot of buyers are the scammers. So I hope you enjoy watching our channel and learning the things you do, because we do everything on these selling items. We try to help you make more money. Please remember to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel and then give us a thumbs up and hit the bell if you want to see more. I appreciate it. I hope that if you have a scam, put it in the comments, because other people need to know about this. We need to do something about this. We need to get together and stop this stuff from happening. This is RockinRobin. You find something good, you put it online. Don't sell it on eBay right now. Sell it on Mercari, and you go make yourself some money. See you soon.